Hope you all are doing well. In today's lecture, we are going to explain you how to set up a Selenium Grid server on local machine using iOS device. So today's lecture, we are basically covering how to set up a Selenium Grid server with iOS simulator or real device using APM server. So this is the basic architecture of a Selenium Grid server where one hub is there, and along with that all nodes are connected. This node could be a physical device or machine. So but here today we are doing all the stuff on a single machine. As explained you above, we need a APM server in order to communicate with a mobile device. So this is the complete architecture of Selenium Grid server by using APM device. It is quite easy. We have to follow some steps and we are done with the server setups. So we are starting now. So we are going with the assumption like all prerequisite which is required for a mobile project testing perspective like Xcode, your APM and Java has been already set up in your machine. We are specifically covering how to set up the grid server only. So first of all, we need to start with the downloading the Selenium Grid jar file. We need to follow this URL. Once you click on this, you download the latest version whatever is available. Right now it is 3.14 1.59, so I have downloaded this. Once you have done with this, you need to create a separate folder where you have to move your downloaded jar file there. So in my case, I have created a folder called Selenium Grid Server Setup, and there I have moved my downloaded jar file. So once you have done with this, what you have to do, you have to open the terminal at your local machine like this, and you have to make sure you are changing your current path directory where you kept your jar file. So in my case, if you can see, it is placed under Selenium Grid Server Setup. So I will make sure I will move to that particular path. It's very easy. Just go to Finder and check out where is your file. If I can see, yeah, it's here. Just write cd and this is the path. So just I will drag drop. Make sure you have taken off the jar file name there. Press enter. Now you are under the current path. Once you are done with this, after that you need to run the jar file. So for that you need to use the below command. Once you clicked on that, it will take a few seconds. After that your Selenium hub will be started. So this will be the output you will get it once you will trigger this command. So it will assure you your hub is up and running. Now we have to verify the same thing whether our hub is started or not. So this is the by default URL. Whenever we started a Selenium hub, it will start on 444 server. Now I'm gonna I will copy this URL. I'll open in Chrome. I will make, see, now my hub is up and I can see it. Now we have done the first step. Selenium hub is set up. Now the next step is we need to add the node or register the node to this hub. That is also very easy. You just simply need to follow these instructions. We need to create a JSON file. So this JSON file actually it's in in this you will specify what kind of device you want to add to the node. So in my case I am adding a device called iPhone 11 Pro, platform version 13.6, number of instance 3, and it will be run on platform name iOS and the browser is Safari. This capabilities will be used when we will be trying to connect this hub server with our code. So there we once on this basis only we will able to connect to the particular node. So what you have to do, just copy this setup and keep it in a notepad file like this, and save it as a JSON file in the same folder path where you kept your Selenium Grid server jar file. Once you have done with that, you need to open the terminal again. I'm adding a new tab. So again we have to change the path to that particular folder, and we need to run this command. So in this command, if you see apm -p 4723, it's a port of apm. So by default apm run on 4723 port. If you are adding multiple nodes, then you have to make sure every time with each node your apm port should be unique. So first I'm running on 4723 and I'm running my particular JSON file. Once you click on this, it will take time. It will connect to the APM server node and it will register that particular node to the your hub. So you can see APM is successfully registered with the grid. This now you can verify whether this hub is like node is added to your hub or not. Just hit this URL in your Chrome browser or any other browser. See, I can see now on my particular grid the one node is added, what I have added. In that I have provided 3 instances, so we can see it is 3. So now our head Selenium Grid server is setup has been done. Now it's ready for use. You can connect to this node by using this particular URL. You need to pass this URL in a capability of Selenium WebDriver. Below is the code to connect to this. Hope you understood it and this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.